Welcome to the third video of Intrusion Detection System. Today we are going to learn about architecture of Intrusion Detection System. Intrusion Detection System is also an automated auditing mechanism. Like auditing system, it consists of three parts. They are agent, detectors, and notifiers. Agent corresponds to logger. It acquires information from a target, such as computer system. Second part of the architecture is the detector, who corresponds to an analyzer. It analyzes data from agent as required, usually to determine if an attack is in progress or it has occurred. The detector then passes the information to the notifier. Notifier determines whether and how to notify the necessary entity. Let us look at the figure. In the figure, we have host A, host B, host C, and host N connected to an internet. Host A, host B, and host C are general purpose computer, and the agents monitor activity on them. Host N is designed for network monitoring, and its agent reports data gleaned from the net to the detector. The agent gives information from host N network to the detector. The detector analyzes the data from the agent as required. It determines the attack is in progress or the attack has occurred. The notifiers then determines whether and how to notify the necessary information to the necessary entity. Let's talk in detail. First, agent. It obtains information from data source. Source or sources. It may be log file, another process, or a network. The information once acquired may be directly sent to the detector. It is also pre-processed into specific format to save the detector from having to do this. Agent may also discard the information which seems to be irrelevant. For example, if the agent is to transmit the time and location of a failed login attempt, it will scan the appropriate log file, discard any records of successful login, and send the remainder to the detector. Types of information gathering. There are two types of information gathering. First one is host-based information gathering. It usually uses system and application logs to obtain record of events and analyze them to determine what to pass to the detector. Basically, it is working on the information that it gathers from the host itself. Log may be security related or other logs. The second one is network-based information gathering. Network-based information gathering uses variety of devices and software to monitor network traffic. It detects network-oriented attacks like denial of service (DOS) or DNS poisoning, etc. It may use network sniffing to read the network traffic also. Another is combined sources. It is the fact that only host-based information gathering and network-based information gathering cannot gather all the information. It is aggregate of information needed, and it is collected from both host and network. Let's jump into another part of architecture, that is detector. Detector analyzes the data from the agent as required. It reduces incoming log entries to eliminate unnecessary and redundant records. It analyzes engine to determine if an attack is underway. Functioning of detector is crucial for effectiveness of intrusion detection system, so it may use a separate dedicated system. Now let's go to the next part of architecture, that is notifier. Notifier accepts information from the detector and takes appropriate action. The appropriate action can be notify the user if necessary. It also may use graphical interface, graphs showing spreading worms or radar green signals to show it is under attack or not. Thank you.